Are you wondering whether a condo might be a smart move for you? Well, let's break it down. Affordability. That's where we're going to start because condos typically cost less than single-family homes, making them a great entry point for home ownership, especially for professionals who want to stay close to areas like downtown Columbus, Westerville, or New Albany. In fact, 35% of buyers are willing to take a smaller home in order to make homeownership happen. And the good news, inventory is improving. With more condos on the market right now than in recent years, we're seeing better pricing and more options. All right, so low maintenance. That's something that a lot of people talk about because condos have HOA services that often include exterior maintenance, lawn care, snow removal, and sometimes even utilities. And what does that mean? It means fewer surprise expenses and less to manage, especially when you're starting out. And then of course, location. Condos are often located in prime areas that are close to shopping, dining, major job centers, and that means a shorter commute and more time to enjoy your active lifestyle. And then resale value. Condos continue to hold their market or their value in growing markets like Central Ohio in most cases. So well-maintained, well-located units still tend to appreciate steadily and appeal to future first-time home buyers and downsizers. And of course, there are trade-offs, and that's where I come in. My role is to help you weigh options and find the right home that fits your budget, your lifestyle, and your long-term goals. I'm Sheila Howe with Red One Realty, and I help first-time home buyers make their home ownership dream a reality.